Awesome. You have now paid the money over to Gleen Trust Capital. So the final step that you need to complete is to verify your transaction. You would simply log into your account again, go to the Transactions tab, click on Deposit, and you would scroll down to the transaction that you have created. Simply click on Verify and you click on hash. Now, there is two ways that you can actually verify your account in Gleen Trust Capital. The first one is you can take a screenshot or a proof of payment that you've done. Normally, whenever you have transferred money from any of the exchanges, you will receive an email with a proof of payment. You would simply then go to that proof of payment and you would then take a screenshot of it and you can submit it here by uploading the file here. If you don't want to do that, you want to use an easier method, you can use the hash. So on that exact same email that you would have received to confirm your proof of payment would be a transaction ID or a TX ID. Simply copy that long number and you simply paste it here. You can see that the number is very long, and this is the transaction ID that was used for the Bitcoin to be transferred to them, and that is your proof of payment. Simply click on verify and your account will then within 10 to 15 minutes go from inactive to active, and you are now ready to start earning from Gleen Trust Capital. That means your Bitcoin has been staked successfully.